morning, children. Welcome back. Narayana live classes, key discussion, and assignment 2. Assignment 2, the class 10, social studies, making of independent India's constitution. Making of independent India's constitution. Today we are going to conclude the lesson based upon the amendments of the constitution, based upon the social engineering and the criticism on the making of the constitution, debates that went on the constitution. Based upon this, the assignment has been given to you. So let us discuss about the criticism. You know very well that many of the leaders, they have criticized the making of the constitution. Like very important discussion went on that it is nothing but a copy of Government of India Act 1935. This was a discussion given out by Maulana Hazrat Moini, and the socialist leaders like Damodar Swarup Seth, they made a point that this constitution has forgotten the centrality of the villages and did not refer the latest socialist constitutions. So like this, several criticisms were there. Now based upon these criticisms, the first question is there, that is identify the leader who criticized that the makers, they have forgotten the centrality of villages. The centrality of villages was forgotten. Who made that particular comment? That is Damodar Swarup Seth. Who is that? Damodar Swarup Seth. He is the one who made that comment. And the second one, that is the second one is based upon that is debates were made, no? So they made a debate, long debate on the untouchability. That means when you say that untouchability was a crime, what exactly is untouchability? We have to define. Like that, they went on for a discussion for a long time, and finally they left that to define this untouchability was given to Parliament. So the next question was the word untouchability was left to whom for definition? Whom for definition? That is for Parliament. So Parliament has to define what is untouchability. And now the next one is based upon the social engineering. You need to identify the mismatch. The social engineering part, as a part of the social engineering, minorities' rights are guaranteed, and accordingly they were given as a part of the directive principles. As a part of the directive principles. And reservations were done as a part to uplift the caste system. Reservations were provided to down or to decline the caste system. But what is that they have given? These particular reservations were provided for uplifting the caste system. That was the mismatch. So reservations and uplifting. This is the uplifting. This is the mismatch. This is the mismatch in the given one. This is the mismatch in the given one. Okay. And so you need to fill the second pair based upon the first pair information. So amendments, now till today amendments were completely 104. Then by that is 2013, by the year 2013, how many amendments were there? You can count them. That is there in your textbook amendment graph. That is 99. 99 amendments were made until 2013. Okay. And see, the constitution was nothing but a copy of the Government of India Act. Was a comment given out by whom? It was a comment given out by Maulana Hazrat Mohini. Maulana Hazrat Mohini. He has pointed out that it is nothing but a copy of Government of India Act 1935. Okay. So who is the chairman of the drafting committee? Who is the chairman? The chairman of the drafting committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. So the next one is what is the procedure laid down for the amendment of the constitution? For the amendments of the constitution, 2/3 of the majority is very essential, along with this two-thirds of the majority, along with the two-thirds of majority, sometimes the ratification of the states, is also essential. This is also very, very important. This is the procedure laid down for the amendment of the constitution. For the amendments of the constitution, this is the procedure. And why is it necessary for to have the amendments? Why? Because the constitution was prepared long back. Long back it was prepared, and the needs and the necessities are changing. The needs and the necessities are changing. They are changing according to the time. So, to change according to the time, we need to go for the changing of the constitution, that is amendment of the constitution. Amendments of the constitution. Okay, children? And so the next question is, which is a very important case that is dealing with the amendments? Keshavananda Bharati case. Keshavananda Bharati case. This is the case which is dealing with the amendments. With the amendment. That means you can change the constitution but not the basic principles of the constitution. The basic principles of the constitution cannot be changed. It was a decision taken in the Keshavananda Bharati's case. Very, very important case. Okay. Then next one is what are the basic principles of the constitution? What are the basic principles? The first one is sovereignty. That's sovereignty. The second one is cabinet system. The third one is parliamentary system. Parliamentary system. The fourth one is federal system. Federal system. Fifth one is independent and integrated judiciary. Integrated judiciary. Fifth one. Sixth one, secularism. Seventh one, fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. And finally the last one, that is directive principles. So these are the basic principles of the constitution which cannot be amended at all. Children, is that clear? That is sovereignty, the cabinet system, the parliamentary system, the federal system, the independent and integrated judiciary, the secularism, the fundamental rights, the directive principles, the socialism. Like this, several basic principles are there. These basic principles cannot be amended at all. This was the decision given in the case that is called as the Keshavananda Bharati's case. Keshavananda Bharati's case. Right, children? Tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment key. Until then, children, have a nice day and have a good learning. Thank you.